Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to join a workspace. So in order to join a workspace, you will have to get an invite from the admin of that particular workspace. So he will just go over here to invite you, and he will type your email right here. So if he wants to invite you, he has to send this email, so tell that to him. And he will invite you probably as a member, but he can invite you also as limited member, guests, or admins. So keep in mind that you can be invited as some kind of a role. He will send an invite, as you can see, and now to your account. So what you will see is to, like so, you will see this, that someone has invited you to your account, and you can click on accept invite. So if you click on accept invite, you should see this, and you have to click on yes, join to the Workspace. So this is how really simple it is to join a workspace. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.